Talking Therapies is an NHS service. It's free therapy, and we will triage people with all kinds of conditions. But what we actually treat are people who just need that little bit of help. Kind of we're short-term intervention, maybe 6 to 8 sessions. Sessions are sort of 45 minutes or 30 minutes, and they're just enough to kind of begin to make some changes in people's lives. There is some talking, but there's also an awful lot of doing. We are helping people to make changes to their behaviour, which will then change the way they feel. So who suffers from anxiety, depression, low mood? Anyone and everyone. I mean, I see all types of people from A-level students through to literally people in their 80s. There's no type of person who suffers from anxiety. I think the world now, we set up a world that can make people anxious and can lead to or create separately depression. You can't predict who it's going to be. You can't predict what they're going through. There's no typical patient and there's no typical presentation. So to someone who said that asking for help was a sign of weakness, I would actually say it's the opposite. It's a sign of strength. It's a sign that you're able to ask for help and you acknowledge that getting help is going to make your life better. It's going to make the lives of the people around you better. It's going to make your community better. And it doesn't need to be done with fuss. You just need to get in touch with us and then we'll find out what's going on with you. In my service currently, we see most patients for the first time to find out about their difficulties in 2 to 3 weeks. Treatment, again, depends on what you have, but our treatment will generally start between 1 month and 3 months. To get in touch, you can go through your GP. Other health professionals who know how to access us, so we have midwives, social prescribers, but our service is very much built on the option of self-referral. It's all about access, so you don't need to see another health professional. You can just put us into a search engine, find us and do the form online.